Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply connect your Google My Business profile with your TikTok account for better reach. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our TikTok account. So I'm going to click on here to open up my TikTok. Having opened up TikTok, next thing we want to do is to click on the profile icon right here to proceed to our profile. On getting to my profile, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here, this three slider. Then on getting to my profile, next thing I'm going to do, so on getting to my profile, the next thing I'm going to do is to see how we get my profile link. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply click on share profile. And this is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on copy link. It's that simple. Having copied our TikTok link, next thing we want to do is to exit from the TikTok page. Then the next thing we want to do now is to head over to the Chrome browser. For us to do that, what we want to do is to click on here. I'm going to open up my Chrome browser. Having opened up my Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus sign right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make use of search or type. Then what we want to do here is to simply type in Google My Business. Then we click on search. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down and we'll make sure we go to Google My Business profile. And you'll be taken right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Manage Now. So once you click on Manage Now, you may be asked to log in with your Google My Business profile, username and password. After you have successful login with your detail, it takes you to your profile right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on Edit Profile. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you click on to share profile. Click on this pencil icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add to share profile. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to select TikTok. Having selected TikTok, come to web address right here. Then click and hold down. Then paste the TikTok URL you copy. Then scroll down right here and make sure you hit on save. It's as simple as that. Your edit is pending. It usually takes up to 10 minutes to be reviewed. Once it's reviewed, Google is going to approve it and the link is going to be added into your Google My Business profile. From there, you can get more visibility and more engagement both on TikTok and your Google My Business in order to make more money, make more sales from your business. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.